Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best Bluetooth rolling tray is probably one of the most innovative accessories to hit the market for enthusiasts, blending convenience with a touch of modern technology to elevate your experience. Imagine a rolling tray that not only provides a stable and organized surface for your essentials but also connects wirelessly, offering features that streamline your process and enhance your enjoyment. This isn't just any tray, it's a smart companion designed for those who appreciate efficiency and a seamless workflow in their personal routines, making it a must-have for anyone looking to upgrade their setup with a functional and futuristic twist. Number 5. Lutron Caseta 3-Button Pico Remote. Introducing the Lutron Caseta 3-Button Pico Remote. It offers simple and versatile control for your smart lighting system. Easily manage your lights from anywhere in the room. This remote allows you to turn your lights on and off with ease. You can also brighten or darken them to create the perfect ambience. Set your favorite lighting levels and recall them instantly with the preset button. Enjoy customized lighting at your fingertips. Use it on a tabletop with a pedestal or mounted on the wall. It adapts to your space and preferences. It features an impressive 10-year battery life, so you don't have to worry about frequent replacements. The battery is included for your convenience. This package includes one white Pico remote. Coordinating accessories like tabletop pedestals and wall plates are sold separately to complete your smart home setup. What we like. This device offers smart home control for your lights. It allows you to set preset lighting scenes for different moods. If you are looking for convenient control of your Caseta dimmers without needing your phone, this is a great option. What people say. Pico remotes can be easily programmed to control individual or multiple lights plugs at the same time. Multiple remotes also can control the same lights plug, such as having a set of remotes for each side of the bed. The dimmer also works perfectly with my Philips GU 10 LED bulbs in the ceiling's recessed fixtures. These bulbs get warmer as you dim them. It is actually a bit nicer than the wireless switch I paired it with, because the middle button can be set to turn on to a remembered brightness level, where the on button remains full bright. Number 4. All-in-One Pro KIT Rolling Tray. Introducing the Ultimate Smoking Accessory Set. This foldable rolling tray kit comes complete with a cone loader and all the necessary tools for a superior experience. Achieve perfect rolls every time with our smart cone loader and funnel system. This mess-free pre-roll machine makes loading cones incredibly simple and efficient. Our rolling tray kit is designed for versatility. It is dual compatible with both king size and 114 cones, thanks to its interchangeable adapters. Streamline your entire process with this complete cone rolling kit. It efficiently handles grinding, loading, packing, and cleaning, all within one convenient tray. Crafted from a premium-grade aluminum frame, this rolling tray is built to last. Its ultra-stable and compact design makes it perfect for on-the-go use. What we like. This is an all-in-one kit for rolling. It features effortless cone loading for perfect rolls every time. If you value efficiency and a mess-free experience when preparing your cones, you should consider this. What people say. It's fairly sturdy, holds plenty to roll several, and is good value for the price. Like the color, and that it folds up easily for travel. The metal tray is sturdy and high quality, and the cone loader is incredibly intuitive, no more messy spills or uneven fills. It makes the whole process so much faster and more relaxing. The tray is a perfect size for keeping everything organized while preparing herbs. The design is not only stylish but also practical, with raised edges to prevent spills. The included accessories, like the multiple cone holders, packing tool, and brush, make rolling easy and mess-free. The quality is great, sturdy and easy to clean. I also appreciate the portability. The legs fold up, so it can be stored or transported easily. Number 3. MUNBYN 411B Bluetooth Thermal Label Printer. Introducing a compact shipping label printer designed for maximum efficiency. Its revolutionary design accommodates large paper capacities and various loading methods, saving you valuable desk space. Connect effortlessly via USB to your computer or use Bluetooth for printing on the go with your phone or tablet. Enjoy the freedom to print labels whenever and wherever you need to. This printer handles a wide range of label sizes, perfect for diverse needs. From office organization to retail and logistics, it offers a flexible solution for all your labeling requirements. It works perfectly with popular platforms like USPS, UPS, eBay, and Etsy. This makes it an ideal choice for online sellers and anyone managing package deliveries. Get ongoing support through various channels, including phone, live chat, and email. Enjoy peace of mind with perpetual technical assistance for smooth operation. What we like. This printer offers both mobile and PC printing capabilities. It supports a wide range of label sizes for diverse needs. If you are a small business owner or online seller who needs to print labels on the go or from any device, this is the perfect solution for you. What people say. It's very easy to set up with the USB cable, and it's so much easier to print the 4x6 shipping label than with my office printer. Works exactly as it should. Startup process was simple. It's very easy to change label size, which I do a lot. Print quality is great. It is extremely lightweight and faster printing than I ever imagined. Number 2. EOM-POS Heavy-Duty Cash Register Bundle. Introducing a complete point-of-sale solution designed for your business. This bundle includes everything you need to manage transactions efficiently. The robust cash drawer is built to withstand daily use. It automatically opens when a transaction requires it, keeping your cash secure. Never worry about ink cartridges again with this advanced thermal printer. It offers a simple drop-and print paper installation for quick receipts. Streamline your checkout process with the included cordless barcode scanner. Easily scan items without being tethered by wires. Connect with ease using USB, serial, or Ethernet. This printer can be shared across multiple computers, offering flexible integration into your setup. Designed to work seamlessly with Windows systems. Please note, this model is not compatible with Square. Search for the compatible version if needed. Enjoy peace of mind with a 2-year full warranty and lifetime technical support from EOM-POS. What we like. This bundle provides a complete point-of-sale solution. It includes an automatic cash drawer and ink-free thermal printing. If you are setting up a new retail business or upgrading your current system and need a reliable and integrated cash handling and receipt printing solution for Windows, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Great cordless scanner, receipt printer, and cash drawer. This POS system works great with my retail software. All components seem to be good quality. Number 1. Raw Matte Black Murdered Cigarette Rolling Tray. Introducing our elegant and sleek rolling tray. Its matte black finish offers a sophisticated look that complements any style. Enjoy a comfortable experience with its smooth, rounded edges. Designed for ease of use and handling. Each tray comes with a convenient scoop card. This makes handling and distributing your materials precise and easy. Crafted from strong, durable metal, this tray is built to last. Its minimalist design combines style with functionality. Its convenient size makes it perfect for travel or storage. High rounded corners ensure comfort and accessibility on the go. Measuring at L 10.8 inch x W 6.8 x H1, it's compact yet highly functional. It also includes an ESD scoop card for added convenience. What we like. This rolling tray boasts an elegant matte black finish. It comes with a convenient scoop card for precise material handling. If you appreciate a sleek aesthetic and a functional design for your rolling needs, this stylish and durable option is perfect for you. What people say. The Bluetooth connectivity is seamless and the range is impressive, allowing me to control my music from across the room. The rolling tray itself is made of high-quality, durable material that feels solid and well-built. The surface is smooth and easy to clean. I love the integrated LED lighting system. It adds a cool ambience and is perfect for late-night rolling sessions. The brightness is adjustable too. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.